Next up, we have iSpyPens. Now this is a nifty little gadget that might help you more than you know. From a glance, it looks like any other pen, and you can even write with it so nobody will even suspect anything. But take a harder look and you will see just above the clip there is a small camera nicely hidden. And at the back, there's an LED to notify you when your recording has started. And below that you have the microphone. At the top is the record and power button. And swiveling along the heft will reveal a USB that will let you access the videos. You never know when you might need this, maybe to record special occasions, provide proof for something, or if you're a private investigator.
Retrieving files on your computer is a breeze with the iSpyPen. To start, plug the device into the USB port on your computer as seen. Locate the file finder and open it. And locate the device called Untitled and double-click on it. You will see that the pen is programmed to separate files into three main categories: audio, photo, and finally, video. You can easily play back files by simply double-clicking on them. Welcome to another iSpyPens tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the plug and play adapter, which comes with the brand new iSpyPen Pro Premium bundle. This is a product that allows you to play back video directly on your smartphone. After taking all of the video, photographs, and audio you would like on your iSpyPen, you can start by removing the bottom half from the top half of the pen by unscrewing it, and removing the micro SD card located just underneath the clip. If you can't get the SD card out with your fingernail, you can use the tip of your iSpyPen to remove it just enough to where you can pull it out easily with a finger. This is how the micro SD card looks after you remove it from your pen. Now you can insert this directly into the plug and play adapter in the bottom slot. And you need to download the application called iUSB Pro. And you can insert the plug and play adapter into your device. Within just a few seconds, the files should upload just as they would on a computer, separating it into audio, photo, and video files. And you can see how easy it is to play back videos or files on your smartphone.
This new iSpyPen records HD video and audio from up to like 40 feet away. iSpyPen Pro X is a high-quality spy pen with a luxury Mont Blanc finish. The Pro X version records video in 2K HD and audio from up to 40 feet away. With other pens, the video is terrible or the sound is grainy, or the battery dies in like minutes. It's really easy to use. Just press and hold the button to record, and then you can stream it instantly on your phone, tablet, laptop. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. It has a 4.6-star rating with more than 20,000 sold. So if you've always wanted a spy pen, you're gonna love the iSpyPen Pro X.